Welcome to Runoff Rapids at Disney's Blizzard Beach. This high-speed inner tube slide sends you twisting and turning down Mount Gushmore on 3 different paths, 2 enclosed and 1 open. Each run offers a unique ride, packed with sudden drops, dark tunnels, and wild curves. Unlike many other slides, you don't need to race. Just sit back and enjoy the cool splash of this snowy-themed water adventure, perfect for thrill seekers and families alike.